think Binance are in potential trouble? Do you think CZ is kind of doing something similar to what SBF was doing like a few months ago, kind of thing?
I think the difference between that and like now and then is that now like we're potentially at a bottom with people already have like lost like losing interest. Who's going to come through and put $20 billion worth of pressure on someone to like deleverage stuff?
That's true.
He's got the added benefit of like having a $70 billion portfolio. I don't know what FTX's portfolio was, but the only way that this could happen is what we're talking about here, in my opinion, is like the tweet on screen. Binance's role in the sudden collapse of FTX has come under congressional scrutiny from the bloc. So if Congress then like research into CZ and try and flip this story to get the mud off their face that the American exchange that was actually regulated in the US with the American-born like person running the exchange, who's both his parents lawyers in America, big ties into politicians, if they try and get mud off their face by like pushing this onto CZ, like and China with OKX obviously stepping up to help with Binance as well, they could easily amount to with $20 billion worth of pressure onto Binance. But I only think they do that if they can then save face. Like if they've already got like a regulatory compliant exchange, if they release regulation real quick here and they somehow take the spotlight away from FTX, release or buy up FTX's assets to save the customers, then I think they could pressure Binance out of the market, and all the Binance customers could then come onto like FTX or the US regulatory exchange. And I know that's a lot of conspiracy, but it's possible. Like that, the thing is that it is possible, especially like in crypto, anything's possible. But like at the minute, the US are sitting there with a lot of mud on their face. The only really real regulated exchange in the US, apart from Coinbase obviously being a public stock, Sam Bankman-Fried, like the face of crypto in America and the world, American born, and now he's like a scam artist. Like, what does that look like for America?